Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to LinkedIn professional account access step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or launch the LinkedIn app on your phone. Type LinkedIn.com in the address bar if you are using a browser and press enter. Wait for the LinkedIn homepage to fully load on your screen. Click the sign in button at the top right if you are on the website. Tap sign in if you are on the mobile app welcome screen. Select the email or phone field to start entering your login details. Type the email address or phone number that is connected to your LinkedIn account. Move to the password field to enter your account password. Type your password carefully and check for typing errors. Make sure caps lock is off if your password uses lowercase letters. If you are on a shared device, do not select any option that keeps you signed in. If it is your personal device, you can choose to stay signed in for faster access. Click or tap sign in to submit your email and password. If you see a security check, complete the CAPTCHA exactly as shown. If LinkedIn asks for a verification code, choose how you want to receive it. Open your email inbox or SMS messages and find the LinkedIn code message. Enter the verification code into LinkedIn and continue. If you forgot your password, click or tap Forgot Password on the sign-in page. Enter your email or phone number and follow the reset instructions. Create a strong new password and confirm it when LinkedIn asks. Return to the sign-in page and log in again with your updated password. If you use Google Sign-In, click Continue with Google and select your Google account. If you use Apple Sign-In, tap Continue with Apple and authenticate with Face ID or password. After login, confirm you are on your LinkedIn feed or homepage. Click your profile photo to ensure you are signed into the correct professional account. If you manage multiple accounts, sign out and repeat the login steps for the right one. For extra safety, go to Settings and enable two-step verification if available. Close the browser or lock your phone when you are finished to keep your account secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.